Like I said, I saved the best for last. It should need no introduction to most. Used some gift card money and rewards points and got myself a free pair of the SendyAudio Aiva planar headphones. I am so excited to finally open this. I've been killing myself not being able to listen to it, waiting to do this unboxing video. Whew! 97 by 76 millimeter planar magnetic driver. Pretty sure that's what it says. I had already opened 2 cables and adapters that come along with it. I got the 2.5 balanced to 4.4 balanced cable, and then the adapter 4.4 to 2.5. No, said that wrong. Which one's which? One of these is the balanced cable to 4.4, and then one of them is the, I think this one's it, the 2.5 balanced to 4.4 female adapter. So we're gonna take a look at these after. I can no longer wait to open this up. This has to be first. The grand finale. I've heard so much good things of these, and did get to hear them a while ago, and they definitely live up to their hype. These are not only an amazing to listen to and hear headphone, these are stunning to look at. The build quality is almost bar none, especially for the price. And that is a thick cardboard case. Wow. That's heavy duty. Alright. Look at that leather. Wow. Nice embossed Sendy Aiva crane logo. Big, heavy duty. I mean, this looks like an Italian leather handbag. This is fashionable. You could totally walk around with this. I will admit, this looks like a butt. But, whatever. So, nice foam packaging. You would have think that was glued, but it can kind of slip up. Good quality. I mean, this is quality foam. This is the kind of foam you like expect microphones and stuff that I work with on a daily basis to be like packed with. Really nice box. Super nice. Look at that back. Nice, shiny, like almost aluminum printed. The whole driver, right? I mean, I love that breakdown photo. That's so cool. The Black Beauty series. All right, the wait is over. Look at them. How do we open this? Little studs to stand it up. It's all in the detail, guys. It's really all in the detail. Like, I don't know if I should spoil myself and look at it first before you guys see it, or let you guys see it first and then I see it. Alright, I'll be nice. I'll share the love. You guys get to see it first. I honestly cannot see this. I know it's upside down right now, but I'll turn it. Oh man, look at those. Look at those. That's intense. That is absolutely intense, the felt lining of these. I'm like obsessed with playing tic-tac-toe with felt. Let me know in the comments if you guys do that too. I always love with suede furniture. I'll always sit on the armrest and like throw a tic-tac-toe game down on someone. Beautiful case. Here's some plastic crinkly. We'll get to you. We'll get to you. Bag could live without. It's one of those burlap sack, potato sack bags. It's nice, but this cable though, the detail. If you have not watched videos of this before, if this is your first time, I am sorry you're going to have to wait longer for the final review of this, because I don't think I'm going to be able to get the detail that you guys are going to need to see the attention that was put into in making these headphones. No millimeter was left unquestioned in the design of these. They're absolutely fantastic. This like fish scale knurling is beautiful, and it's not just nicely designed, it's crafted too. There's no burrs in it, there's no missing, you know, the paint, all the black is filled in, there's not like a part that's missing. You can kind of feel like your finger kind of gets rubbed on where like the cuts were nice and like CNC'd or lathed out, whatever. It's beautiful. This is just the damn adapter. It's ridiculous. The weave on this is fantastic. I mean, a wood split with a wood adjustment. I forget what these are called. Honestly, I'm really forgetting what these are called. They're those neck sliders, so you can get it nice and tight for if you're running. But what? I can only think of it if you're running. Alright, nice little Velcro. They did the thing. They did my pet peeve. They put the rough side out. Oh well, I'll forgive them. So you get 2.5. Yes. I don't know why. For some reason I really thought that was going to be 3.5. 2.5 millimeter mono. Lefts and rights. Left is green. Right is red. There you go. Nice 2-wire cable, but thick 2-wire. Going into what looks like, you know, those cheap, you know, RCA, Radio Shack speaker cable that you get by the 50 foot, and you just cut it to the size. That's what it feels like this was made out of. But really tight 4-core weave into that 4.4 pentagon with a nice SendyAudio brand. So then you just put them together, snaps in nice and tight, and then now you got 3.5. Would have been nice if they could have machined this down to the size of the 4.4, so everything was nice and smooth and matching, but it looks like the 4.4 is a little bulkier. It definitely would have had the room. I mean, look at all that extra space they have, but overall, really nice cable. We still got 2 more to look at, but these headphones are nuts. They are heavy duty. Don't want to curse, but these are monsters. They are so heavy. Planars usually can be pretty heavy, and these are no exception. There is just so much amount of metal. This system is just nuts. Everything is just so precise feeling and deliberate. The wood is nicely polished. The quality control is very much there. I like how the holes are drilled smaller and they get them bigger. Hope, you know, possibly part of the tuning, but nice soft. I want to say pleather, faux leather. That doesn't feel real, but nice nonetheless. Into just a simple but sturdy as heck top band. How do we adjust this? Okay, so the band always stays the same, and then it's just really just a comfort strap. So pretty simple. You just a comfort strap, not by much, but you just pull it to fit. So ooh, wow, those are like springy. They're like ready to flip into each other. So these ear pads are, if you haven't seen them before and heard of these headphones, are really highly regarded for the attention to detail and the customness of them, if that's a word. you can kind of tell how the fronts are lower profile than the backs, but then they taper up to the top. If they really did do their best to sew and hem together a pad that's shaped to a human head and not just like a donut, you know, just a simple circle. With this nice knitted cloth front, very comfortable, and then the perforated inside and outer band. Let's put them on for the first time. Let's see. I don't know where I need those comfort strap, but let's see. Oh, I need the comfort strap way down. So I need the comfort strap nearly all the way down. I have a medium head. Sometimes with hats I can get away with a small to medium, and since some others are medium to large, so about a medium head. And I have to have the comfort strap as small as possible for these guys to fit. Could probably, honestly, even go like no, I honestly wouldn't go any tighter. They really are perfect in their smallest position. If you do have a smaller head, these could be a little too big for you, though, I'll say that. Overall, really high quality. Let's see, I've already opened these, so this should be quick. We're almost done with this video. Alright, in this one, in this corner, we have the balance cable. Yeah, balance cable for sure. There's that 4.4 Pentacon, which didn't realize we already had. So I got two now, and so I can have a nice travel pair, and then one with the adapter ready to go, and I never have to remove it for balance, for unbalanced use. And then in this corner we have the adapter to go balanced. So now we can do, look at that, even the cable kind of changes up a little bit. It goes to this like same copper but then to a darker brown weave. And then there's our 2.5 millimeter balance. Got this one because the 1/4 inch, or the 4-pin XLR version was just way too expensive. I'd rather just use this and then use a 2.5 XLR adapter, or the new Ear Studio. Let's get that out. Finish off the video by connecting the SendyAivas to the Ear Studio. Boom. Only had some music to listen to. Well, that's the haul for Black Friday this year. Let me know in the comments what you guys got for Black Friday, if you guys saw some good deals. But these were my hauls. I'm very excited to start putting out content on these. I'll bring everything in for a group photo. I'm just throwing everything in. Don't worry about it. I'll clean it up later. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to see more and these come out. Take care guys.